All right, let's talk. You know how some days you wake up and the birds are singing?
The coffee tastes like a hug in a mug. You find a $20 bill, and then lint that looks vaguely judgmental.
And then there are other days. You trip on air, spill coffee down a brand new shirt.
A lot of it is what's happening between your ears. Your brain has a volume knob for positivity. You're the DJ of your own mind.
You can reach in and crank that volume up. Think a no becomes a not yet.
Not hocus pocus, no pony guaranteed. It's actively choosing to focus on the possible, the heck yeah, I can do this stuff.
It's a mental workout. Build your positivity muscle until it's stronger than doubt. No sweaty towels required.
Norman Vincent Peale wrote a whole book about this. Think of it as a user's manual for your own happiness.
Our thoughts are architects. Build doom blueprints, get a leaky shack. Build joy blueprints, lay a foundation. Trade your critic for a pom-pom waving superfan.
Stick with me. We're on a 7-minute tour through the land of positivity. Ready? Let's do this.
So what was Peele's big secret? Surprise, it's simple.
Believe in yourself. Believe in something bigger than yourself. It's a 2-for-1 deal.
Peale argued we are often our own worst enemies, building imaginary walls with I can't and it's impossible.
Instead, expect the best. Not magical lottery thinking, but a general outlook that sets your internal GPS for Successville.
Stop being a problem gazer. If the tire is flat, great. Where's the jack? What's the first step?
That tiny perspective shift makes you the hero, not a victim. Peale emphasized a calm mind, prayer, meditation, or 5 quiet minutes, so you can see solutions.
Find your inner calm so your inner cheerleader can be heard.
Next, how to evict negative Nelly from your head. Ready?
Okay, we all have that little voice. Let's call her Negative Nelly, or Negative Ned, inclusive here.
She tells you your hair looks weird, you'll be late, everyone is secretly laughing at your dance moves.
Peele's first order. Serve Nelly an eviction notice. Catch the spiral, stop it, and say, "Nope, not today, Nelly."
When I'm so bad at this pops up, replace it. I am learning and getting better every day. It's changing the channel in your brain.
Your mind is a garden. Pull weeds of worry, doubt, and fear. Plant positive flowers in their place.
At first it's a lot of weeding, but day after day your garden will flourish, and soon there's hardly any room for weeds.
I heard about a woman terrified of public speaking. Negative Nelly screamed she'd forget her words.
She practiced, "I am a confident and capable speaker." Visualized applause, and when the day came, the positive voice was louder. She evicted Nelly and let Positive Polly take the stage.
Life will throw curveballs, that's just a fact.
Your car breaks down, your boss gets demanding, your Wi-Fi quits right before the season finale.
The difference isn't the problem, it's how you see it. A negative thinker sees an unclimbable wall. A positive thinker sees options.
Is there a ladder? Dig a tunnel? Is there a door you haven't noticed? They see a puzzle, not punishment.
Think of the little engine that could. It had belief, not horsepower. I think I can became its fuel.
When facing a challenge, start the chant, "I think I can handle this, I think I can figure this out." Focus on capability and resilience.
A guy got laid off, saw catastrophe, then opportunity. He used the shift to start the business he always wanted.
Reframe, don't say I have a problem. Say I have a challenge or I'm facing an interesting puzzle. It puts you back in the driver's seat.
Becoming a positive thinker is a daily practice, like brushing your teeth. Build small, happy habits into your day.
Peale loved the first 10 minutes of your day. Instead of doom scrolling, take a moment for yourself. Gratitude, a few good things, comfy bed, coffee smell, no dentist today.
Sprinkle pockets of peace. 5 minutes between meetings to stare out a window or listen to your favorite song. Mini vacations for your brain.
Be mindful of what you feed your brain. If you live in a candy store of negativity, pick the healthy snacks. Uplifting books, podcasts, comedy night with friends.
Act as if. Stand taller, put on a small smile. Your body helps trick your brain into feeling better.
Surround yourself with sunshine and people who laugh. Your environment and company matter. It's positivity by osmosis.
Greet people cheerfully, give a compliment, take tiny breaks. These small moves add up.
Act the part, and you may soon actually feel it. Coming up, how to picturize your success.
One of Peele's most powerful tools is visualization. He called it picturizing. It's focused mental rehearsal, not idle daydreaming.
Make the image detailed. See the office, feel the chair, hear coworkers laugh, smell the coffee. Make it sensory rich.
Top athletes visualize success. They see the arc, hear the swish, feel the release. Their brain rehearses success hundreds of times before the real moment.
Do the same for presentations, tough talks, any goal. Fill the mental image with positive emotion. The emotion is the fuel.
Make it vivid and feel the excitement. Do it daily. It creates a magnetic pull toward your goal.
Visualization motivates action. Your brain and subconscious start steering you toward what you picturize.
Try this now. Pick one thing you really want. Find a quiet spot for a few minutes and picture it in glorious Technicolor.
Make it emotional. Paint your future with happy thoughts. You're the director of this mental movie.
The secret to a happier you isn't locked in a vault. It's in your head. Turn the key.
You're not just a passenger. You can steer towards stormy seas of negativity, or chart a course for sunny shores of optimism.
It's not about being a perfect sunshine robot 24/7. You will slip up. Progress, not perfection.
Try an experiment. Today, catch one negative thought and replace it. Take 1 minute to picture something wonderful.
Be kinder to the most important person in your life, you. Be your own coach and #1 fan.
Crank up the happiness knob. Start your I Think I Can engine, and be kind to others as you go.
Go out and have a ridiculously, wonderfully, positively happy day. You've totally got this.
If you like this quick tour, read Peale's book for more. Subscribe for more book summaries and life hacks.